Hello and morning, ladies and gentlemen. That man Ian here, and welcome back to my channel. Yeah, it's early. Well, 8:52, but you know, I won't be doing any streaming till this afternoon or late afternoon, but most likely this evening. Got a bit of decorating to do. But I'm going to show you guys easy way to make thumbnails. One of my followers on Twitch. Um, He uploads clips for Dog Soldier, who is on Twitch. Go show him some love. Go follow his channel. Help him get to that 800 followers. Again, me. Uh, so, Lee fix cars. Um, this is for you, but it's for everyone else as well. If you struggle with making a thumbnail, then here's an easy step. So what I'm going to do is my webcam just going to turn off. I'm going to it. Alright, so webcam's off. Some webcam for this, so go to browser here. What you want to do is go where you see pixlr.com/editor. Now, it depends on what you want to use, really. Use this one. You need Flash Player or Pixlr E. I use Pixlr E, so we go to see. I've already got ones. Got some here. Then you want so let's just put this is basically for him. So you want to get an image, like the face like he was doing thing. Yeah, doing the thumbnails for Dog Soldier. So you want your image to be 20. How big you want your image? This is just an example. So just make sure that's 12.8. And what you do, you just want to save as. Save to your desktop somewhere. Probably in your pictures. Save like that. Back out of there, you don't need that. No, ignore this. So what you want to do is go to create new, and instead of using these, it is still going to be HD. So if you want to change width to 1280 and you want to change the height to 720. Because on YouTube and Twitch, thumbnails, that's what they are. And you can put background colour in if you want. But not doing that. So go create. So now you want to click on layer, add image layer. So you want to take your picture, wherever you put it. Okay. I'll show you what I've got in my picture folder. So just go to that. Only go to it. You put it in your picture folder, right? And your PC, your laptop, whatever. Put it in your picture folder. Now, you might not just want that. For your sake, Lee. What you then want to do, you can then add another. You can Dog Soldier's logo. So say Dog Soldier. This ain't Dog Soldier's logo, but put it this for you guys. So if you want to put his logo on it, do that. I don't have his logo, but I'm just going to use this Twitch one, for example. So you put that in. There you go. And if you want it a bit bigger, go to Edit, Retransform, hold the R button, and you can resize it really easily. You want me? This ain't just for me, this is for all of you. And you don't want that, then remove it. No, is this layer? You don't need it. Get rid of all this advertisement off the bottom. So say you've put whatever you want on there, whatever other layers, pictures. You might want to put a border, or you might want to make this smaller and put a cool background on it. Basically, you just stretch this out. So you just pull it out here, make it smaller, put an image behind, and all you do is drop that layer below this layer. So I'll show you. Show you an example. So let's just say that. Yeah? And the save image. I just put it in my pictures folder. So what we want to do is layer, which layer you want to go to your image background. This, you want it there. What you want to do is don't for that background. stretch it. Go back to your image. It won't work really. You can basically having it on here, you've got it on free transform. You can make it thicker one side and not the other. But you don't have to put background on, but I'm just showing you. And now put your text, click on the big T. Add text file, type in what you want. I'm just going to put a bit of advertisement for you. Right, bit of advertisement for you, but don't want that. There's a thing you can get. Let me open a new tab so you can have a nice fancy font. It's called Right, it's called dfont.com. They for exactly what's up here. dfont.com/theme.php.cat equals 6. You don't need to do that. Just put in dfontcots.com/theme. You get some cool fonts. So look at all these in there. We're gonna go with that. So then change the color. But ducks, which is not red, so you're red here. Right, change the size. Font settings, but you want it bold. Not all the time, no. Depends on what. Right, you get most of the time you want bold, but you want to put it slanted. Then, what you want to do, you want to put outline, black. You can punch it out, but I wouldn't recommend it. Then you can put shadow color, whatever color you want. I would use white. And shadow, these vertical, horizontal, not bother with, but occupancy needs to be 100%. Then you can drag this wherever you want. You might want it here. Then, for the sake, you want to put this, so you can type dog soldier or whatever you want. Then type your first letter. Then if you push your enter button, it go below that. Then you can put tips over truck, crashes truck, funny video, whatever. Put that, and it's again simple. If you want to put social media stuff on there, put it in each layer. Say YouTube. YouTube on there, but not add text layers. You want to go edit. Retransform. You don't want it that big. You just want small thing. You might want to put it at top, bottom, coming off here. Don't matter. Just do that. Gonna go back to your text file. But you don't want it that big anymore. So let's just for the sake of it, Twitter. You can change colour and all that, whatever you want. But you probably want it the same as what you main thing. You want the same font. And you don't want it big. You just put it there and you do the same stuff you put the outline on. Put your shadow on. And there you go. And all you do from there, once you've done that, you go down, you go to file, so you go to save, and same to this, take this, just type in show, you want to put a JPEG, you want to change this, quality to 100%, keep it on high, go to download, put it in your picture folder, you want to title it whatever you're doing, right? You click and close on this, you click and close on that, and let's bring my camera and everything back. Hey, there we are, just like magic. Yep, so there it is, guys. That is how you make the simple thumbnails. But you can do all sorts of skillful there. You can make your text multicolored. You can punch it out. You can embroider it. All kinds of crazy stuff you can do. You can blend it all in together. And that's how easy it is. It's step 1, 2, 3. But anyway, you guys enjoyed. You know the drill. Go ahead and drop a like. Subscribe to the channel. Also, there's links in the description to my Twitter, to my Twitch, and to where you guys can donate to me. Have a fabulous day. Lee, this goes out to you, pal. There you go. So easy it is. Thank you all, and I'll see you next time. Ta-ra for now.